pero nagdudusa na rin ang ilan sa blue team.
Guys, it's dropping. Again,
Hold it, but you don't have to tell us.
Nangyari sa akin.
Hold it, or just drop it.
Kasi hindi ko alam kung paano ko siya hahawakan ngayon dahil yung kamay ko basang-basa siya and then yung pawis sa kamay ko dumidikit dun sa box. Paulit-ulit ko siyang kailangan ibaba at paulit-ulit ko rin siya kailangan itaas.
I can't hold it the way you are holding it, so if you want to drop it, you can.
how about that?
So yung pinakamalaking challenge sa akin is kung paano ko mahahawakan yung mga box na yan ng matagal na oras.
Ayoko talagang mapasama sa yung magiging nominado po pag matalo kami dito sa Double Trouble Challenge. Yun talaga yung iniisip ko. Hanap ako. Hangat mo pa ako. I'm good. Thank you.
Habang ang blue team unti-unti nang kinakabahan.
How are you supposed to do this for an hour?
It's
Hey,
impossible.
You come towards me. Stop backing up. Every time you go back up, these are coming apart.
It's impossible to do it more than an hour.
Kay Tyler, mas mataas siya sa akin. Kailangan yung kaliwang kamay ko is mas mataas din kaysa dito sa kanang kamay ko. Malaking challenge, aside dun sa basa yung kamay ko, kuya, is kung paano ko mapapanatili na yung dalawang braso ko is hindi siya magkapantay.
Are you having problems with this side? Yeah, it keeps drifting away from this from me. Every time you back up, it's harder.
Wala daw ako sa lugar.
Mama don't like.
Gotta stop.
Anong malalaman
I'll drop
kung
it.
siya na yung dapat mo makasalan?
Let go.
You know.
You sure? Yeah. I need to
Drop
focus on
what?
this one. Just drop it. Stop tilting it. Relax. You need to chill. I'm in competitive mode right now. Oh, you're in pissed off mode. He kind of gets angry really fast. I just tried to calm him down as best I can and stay positive.
The last woman standing.
At least mayado na rin po ako kasi alam ko po na ang dahilan ko kung bakit ko nahulog yun is nasa akin po talaga. Wala po kay Tyler. Hindi kami magpapakampante kahit alam namin na meron kaming advantage dun sa kabilang grupo at ipupush lang namin yung sarili namin sa abot ng aming makakaya.
Hello mga kapamilya! Be updated with the Pinoy Big Brother housemates by clicking the subscribe button and watch all the latest videos by clicking the I button above.